When it comes to home improvement, few projects offer as much impact as window installation. Whether you are building a new home or upgrading your current one, choosing the best materials for your windows can significantly affect the look, energy efficiency, and overall performance of your property. In Lafayette, a region known for its unique climate, it's important to select materials that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also stand up to the local weather conditions. Here's a guide to help homeowners in Lafayette navigate the process of choosing the best materials for window installation. Understanding the local climate. Lafayette enjoys a humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot summers with frequent thunderstorms and mild winters. This weather can put significant stress on your home's windows, meaning that the materials you choose must be durable and able to withstand both moisture and temperature fluctuations. Ideally, your windows should help keep your home comfortable year-round, while also enhancing energy efficiency. With these factors in mind, here are the most common materials used in window frames, each with its own set of benefits. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are among the most popular choices for homeowners in Lafayette due to their affordability, durability, and energy efficiency. Vinyl frames are resistant to moisture, meaning they won't warp, crack, or swell when exposed to the high humidity levels typical in the area. They also provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cool during the summer and warm in the winter. This can lead to significant energy savings over time. Another great benefit of vinyl windows is their low maintenance. Unlike wood frames, which require periodic painting and sealing, vinyl frames need little more than a simple cleaning to stay looking new. They are available in a range of styles and colors to suit various architectural designs, making them versatile for both modern and traditional homes. Wood windows. For homeowners seeking a more traditional look, wood windows can provide timeless beauty and excellent insulation properties. Wood frames are an excellent choice if you want to maintain a classic aesthetic while still ensuring good performance. The natural appearance of wood adds warmth and character to your home, making it an ideal material for period homes or those aiming for a rustic or cottage-inspired style. However, wood windows require more maintenance than vinyl. They must be regularly treated with protective coatings to prevent moisture damage and to ward off termites, which can be a concern in Lafayette's humid climate. If you are willing to invest the time and effort into maintenance, wood windows can provide long-lasting beauty and great performance. Just make sure to select wood that is resistant to rot and decay, such as cedar or redwood. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass is a newer material that is gaining popularity for window frames due to its strength, durability, and energy efficiency. These windows can withstand extreme temperatures without expanding or contracting, making them a great option for Lafayette's hot summers and mild winters. Fiberglass windows are highly resistant to moisture and won't rot, warp, or swell like wood. They are also resistant to fading, which means they maintain their color and appearance for many years. Although fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive upfront than vinyl or wood, their durability and long-term performance make them a worthwhile investment. Fiberglass frames provide excellent insulation, helping to reduce your heating and cooling costs. Additionally, fiberglass windows are low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning. Aluminum windows are known for their sleek, modern look and slim profiles. They are strong, durable, and resistant to the elements. However, in Lafayette's humid climate, aluminum windows may not be the best option on their own. Aluminum tends to conduct heat and cold more easily than other materials, which can lead to higher energy bills. However, many manufacturers offer thermal breaks or plastic spacers within the aluminum frames to reduce this issue. Aluminum windows are a good choice if you prioritize a modern aesthetic or need windows that can support large panes of glass. While they are low maintenance and long-lasting, they are less energy efficient than other materials unless properly insulated. Making the right choice when choosing the best materials for your window installation in Lafayette, consider your priorities, whether it's aesthetics, energy efficiency, or long-term durability. Vinyl windows are a great all-around choice for most homeowners, offering excellent insulation, low maintenance, and a variety of styles. Wood windows are perfect for those who want a classic look and are willing to invest in maintenance. Fiberglass is a great option if you want strength and energy efficiency, while aluminum windows work best for those who prioritize a sleek, modern design. Ultimately, the right window material will depend on your budget, style preferences, and the level of maintenance you're willing to commit to. By choosing the best material for your needs, you can ensure that your home in Lafayette stays comfortable, energy efficient, and beautiful for years to come.